In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PostgreSQL to Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, there are some prerequisites that we need to adhere to. So we need a Power BI desktop installed and also a running PostgreSQL database. And now with that, we need the host name or IP address, the database name, username, and password. Okay, in order to connect it, we need to go ahead and open up the Power BI desktop, click onto Home, and then click onto Get Data, and then search for PostgreSQL. Here it is here. So you want to go ahead and select that one, PostgreSQL, and click on Connect. Now you want to enter in your server name, your database, and choose your data connectivity mode. So select the default storage mode for new tables. We got advanced options if you want to delve deeper. And then once from here, go ahead and click on OK. Now that's going to go ahead and connect. And then in the navigator, select the tables or views you want. Then choose load to import the data or transform data to clean or shape it first in Power QE.